In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Vanilla Visa gift card on eBay. This is a step-by-step guide that will walk you through everything you need to know to get started with your shopping. Whether you're new to using gift cards online or just want to ensure you're doing it right, I've got you covered. First off, you'll need to visit the Vanilla Gift website to check your card balance. This is an important first step because you want to be fully aware of the funds available to you before making any purchases. Simply go to the link provided in the description below and log in with your card details. If you haven't activated your card yet, make sure to do that by entering the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back. It's crucial that your card is activated as you won't be able to use it for purchases online if it remains inactive. Once you've confirmed the card balance matches the amount printed on the card, you're ready to move on to eBay. Now navigate over to eBay and start browsing for the items you wish to purchase. As you go along, take your time to look for the best deals and sellers on the platform. Once you've made your decision, there are a couple of options for adding items to your cart. You can either click Add to Cart if you're still shopping or choose Buy It Now if you found something you'd like to purchase immediately. When you've added all your desired items, proceed to the checkout. Once you're on eBay's checkout page, it's time to select your payment method. Here, you'll need to choose the credit or debit card option from the list of available payment methods. Even though it might seem a bit counterintuitive since you're using a gift card, your Vanilla Visa functions like a credit card when making purchases online. Next, enter your Vanilla Visa card information exactly as you did when you activated it. That means you'll need the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code. Double check everything to ensure you've input all the information correctly to avoid any transaction errors. Finally, after you've entered your payment information, all that's left to do is click Confirm and Pay. You'll receive a confirmation from eBay that the transaction was successful, and depending on the seller's shipping speed, your items should be on their way soon. And that's it. You've successfully used your Vanilla Visa gift card for a purchase on eBay. Remember to keep track of your remaining balance for future transactions. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your shopping is a breeze. If you have any more questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy shopping!